Hey guys, sorry that I sound boring, you know. Uh, I'm doing this at night, so that's why I sound tired. Yeah, I always sound like this. Forgive me. Yeah, so I'm going to show you how to use the plagiarism checker, which one to use, and things like that. I think I'll only show you one plagiarism checker. Yeah, because the others, yes, you can use the others. You're gonna do it the same way either way. So yes, before you do that, I need you to organize your thingy, your assignment. Oh snap! Let me tell you. Okay, this is like another assignment that I worked on before. Oh yeah, when you are doing your assignment, always make sure to click save up there all the time. Every time you're working on your assignment. You see, this is another one that I was working on way back. It's not like important. I mean, I just want to use it to show you something. So create a folder. Let me just go straight to the point. With your name and some random like student number or whatever course you're doing, your short word for your course or something, or is if it's N4 or whatever. Yeah, I'll just give some, I don't know why I said that, but I'll just give some random stuff. So then drag it and move it there, or copy and paste, and it's here, right? Your assignment. So you must just know that it's here, right? So now we leave. Now we check for, there's this cool website. Why does it do this? It's called SeoSmallTools. Alright, then you click enter, then you click here. Alright, then this place checks for plagiarism, fix your grammar and all that, but we'll go here. Alright, so we go down, and then you must only upload your assignment if it's less than 1000 words. So you click here, and then we look for that one that you saved, documents. Yeah, that one, what do we call it, that? And then here, open. Okay, thank you. I'm not. Okay, sorry guys, there's been an error. I didn't want this to happen. Okay. I don't know why it does this. Okay, let's. I mean, there's something wrong with my assignment, so let me just pick something random. I would say, wow, I did not prepare for this. Maybe I'll say, where's that other one? Yeah, this one that I probably saved. It's this one, né? You see, it's already uploaded. And then, oh my god, it's rubbish here. Then we typed check plagiarism. This is very stressful. My worst nightmare. I don't even know if this is they say crossways. Why do they need to do this? Guys, I'm so sorry, this is messing up my class. God, can you verify, please? God, I hate this. Okay, yeah, check plagiarism. Yeah, then you check plagiarism for you. It's going to take a while, and then it's already done. Yeah, by the way, it's not always like this. Where's my yikes? Sometimes they want you to change a specific word. They sometimes do it like this. Oh, this was plagiarized, what. So sometimes you have to like go back to your where you saved your work, right? And then, like, let's just say there was a few words that was plagiarized. You just go back you just go back to your like assignment, and then you say something like maybe you change a few words. If they said you change some few words to your own words, like, okay, like maybe you did change your own words to a few words, like change more words, like put new words. Even if you wrote it on your own words, still change that part. So you say it maintains something, like, let's just say they said maintain is plagiarized. You must just take out that one and say manage, and then click here on save. Alright, yeah, or research for like synonyms of like maintain or whatever, and then you have to like if it says it must always say 0% plagiarism. Yeah, so yeah, you just have to like click here to like refresh, click here to like refresh, and then check the plagiarism thingy again. You know how to do it. So and then when it says like this, it means that you can download your report, and then your report is downloaded, you see. And then what you do is oh my god, I took out the whole thing. You go back here, then you go to downloads, then you see your report here, you copy, then you go here, was networks, then you paste, and then you have everything organized. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to convert Word to PDF, because sometimes they want you to send your assignment via PDF. So yeah, thank you guys.